Nasdaq 100. It's a name that carries weight in the financial world. It's a mouthful, I know, but don't let that intimidate you. Trust me, it's worth knowing. This index is a cornerstone of the modern financial landscape. The Nasdaq 100 tracks 100 of the largest non-financial companies listed on the Nasdaq stock market. These companies span various sectors, from technology to consumer services. Think big names like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft. These are the innovators, the disruptors. They are the companies that are not just participating in the market, but are actively shaping the future. The companies shaping our future. They are at the forefront of technological advancements, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Now, why should you care? Because understanding the Nasdaq 100 can give you insights into the broader market trends. This index is a trader's paradise. It's packed with high-growth, volatile stocks that offer numerous opportunities for profit. It's packed with high-growth, volatile stocks. These stocks can experience significant price movements, providing traders with the potential for substantial gains. That means more opportunities to make money. But with great opportunity comes great risk. But beware, it's not for the faint of heart. The volatility that makes it attractive can also lead to significant losses. You need to be quick, decisive, and ready to handle big swings. The Nasdaq 100 is a dynamic and challenging environment, but for those who can navigate it, the rewards can be substantial. Why do traders flock to the Nasdaq 100? One word: tech. The Nasdaq 100 is synonymous with technology and innovation. It's a magnet for those who seek to invest in the future. This index is heavily weighted towards technology companies. From giants like Apple and Microsoft to rising stars in the tech world, the Nasdaq 100 is a who's who of the tech industry. These are the companies at the forefront of innovation, constantly pushing boundaries. Think artificial intelligence, cloud computing, electric vehicles. These technologies are not just buzzwords, they are transforming the way we live and work. The future is here, and it's traded on the Nasdaq 100. Every day, these companies are developing new products and services that shape our world. From smart homes to autonomous vehicles, the innovations are endless. This focus on tech makes the Nasdaq 100 a growth engine. The rapid pace of technological advancement drives the growth of these companies, and in turn, the index itself. These companies are growing revenue and profits at a rapid pace. Their ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions allows them to stay ahead of the competition. And where there's growth, there's opportunity. Investors are always on the lookout for the next big thing, and the Nasdaq 100 offers a plethora of opportunities. Traders are drawn to this potential for outsized returns. The tech sector has historically provided some of the highest returns in the stock market, making it an attractive option for those looking to maximize their investments. But remember, with great reward comes great risk. The tech sector is known for its volatility. Prices can swing dramatically based on news, earnings reports, and broader market conditions. It's important for traders to stay informed and be prepared for the ups and downs. Education and research are key. Understanding the fundamentals of the companies within the Nasdaq 100, as well as the broader tech trends, can help mitigate risks and enhance investment strategies. Diversification is also crucial. While the Nasdaq 100 offers tremendous growth potential, it's wise to balance tech investments with other sectors to manage risk effectively. In the end, the allure of tech is undeniable. The Nasdaq 100 represents the cutting edge of innovation and the promise of future growth. For traders and investors, it's a dynamic and exciting space to be in. Volatility. It's a word that strikes fear into the hearts of many investors, but for traders, it's music to our ears. Volatility simply means price swings, big price swings, and big price swings mean big opportunities to make money. The Nasdaq 100 is known for its volatility. These tech stocks can soar one day and plummet the next. That's because they're driven by news, earnings reports, and investor sentiment. And let me tell you, sentiment can change faster than the weather in Chicago. Now let's compare the Nasdaq 100 to its older, more established cousin, the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is broader, tracking 500 large companies across various sectors. It's considered less volatile, but also potentially less rewarding. Think of it this way. The S&P 500 is like a comfortable sedan. It'll get you where you need to go, but it's not going to win any races. The Nasdaq 100 is like a sports car. It's fast, exciting, but also a bit more risky. Section 5. Riding the waves of volatility. So, how do you profit from the Nasdaq 100's volatility? It's all about timing and strategy. You need to buy low and sell high. Easier said than done, right? That's where skill comes in. Experienced traders use a variety of tools and techniques to navigate these choppy waters. Technical analysis, chart patterns, indicators. These are your weapons in the trading arsenal. But remember, even the best traders get it wrong sometimes. Section 6. Mastering the Nasdaq 100. Skills for success. Trading the Nasdaq 100 isn't for everyone. It requires a certain mindset. You need to be comfortable with risk. You need to be decisive. And you need to be able to control your emotions. Discipline is key. Don't get greedy. Don't chase losses. Stick to your trading plan. And always be prepared for the unexpected. Remember, the market is a fickle beast. Section 7. Risk management, protecting your capital. Trading the Nasdaq 100 can be lucrative, but it's also risky. That's why risk management is crucial. You need to protect your capital. Think of it like this. You wouldn't jump out of a plane without a parachute, would you? Set stop-loss orders. These are your safety net. They automatically sell your position if the price drops below a certain level. This limits your losses, and never, ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Section 8. The importance of research and analysis. Before you even think about hitting that buy button, do your homework thoroughly. Research the companies in the Nasdaq 100. Understand their businesses, their financials, their growth prospects. Knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed trading decisions. Stay up to date on industry trends, news, and economic data. It all plays a crucial role. Section 9. Long-term growth potential. While many traders focus on the short-term swings in the Nasdaq 100, it's important to remember the long-term growth potential. The companies in this index are at the forefront of innovation, driving the global economy forward. Over the long run, the Nasdaq 100 has consistently outperformed other major indices. This doesn't mean it's a guaranteed winner, of course. There will be ups and downs along the way. But history has shown the power of investing in innovation. Section 10. Conclusion. Why the Nasdaq 100 reigns supreme. The Nasdaq 100 is not just another index, it's a powerhouse of innovation and growth. So, there you have it. The Nasdaq 100 is a trader's paradise. It's volatile, yes, but that volatility creates opportunities. The Nasdaq 100 is a trader's paradise. It's volatile, yes, but that volatility creates opportunities. The index is home to some of the most dynamic and influential companies in the world, from tech giants to innovative startups. But that volatility creates opportunities. Every fluctuation, every dip, and rise is a chance to make strategic moves. It's a chance to ride the wave of innovation and potentially reap significant rewards. The companies listed on the Nasdaq 100 are at the forefront of technological advancements, driving the future of various industries. But remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Success in trading the Nasdaq 100 requires a deep understanding of market trends, a well-thought-out strategy, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. It takes skill, discipline, and a healthy respect for risk. Risk management is crucial. Knowing when to enter and exit trades can make all the difference. If you're up for the challenge, the Nasdaq 100 might just be the index for you. It's not for the faint-hearted, but for those who thrive on excitement and are willing to put in the work. The rewards can be substantial. Just remember to buckle up. The journey with the Nasdaq 100 is filled with twists and turns, and it's essential to stay prepared for the unexpected. It's going to be a wild ride. Embrace